Yeah, here we are demonstrating IoT water quality monitoring system to the Blink app. So we are going to send the water parameters like water pH level from this pH sensor, and turbidity from this turbidity sensor, and conductivity from this conductivity sensor, and also water level from this SR04 ultrasonic sensor. So here we are going to get the water level. So initially when we switch on this gauge, the SR04 will give the distance from the surface of the tanker. So whether we should make the tanker as a empty, then the so-called distance is considered as a 0, and whenever the system got initialized, from there onwards it will going to monitor the level when the water level is increasing inside the water tanker. So when we switch on this gauge, if we make sure that the so-called tanker should empty, then we will take that reference as a full tank level. That's going to be the whenever the water is coming inside the tanker, then the water level will be increased and it will be displayed on the percentage terms on the LCD screen. As well as same thing will be sent to the Blink app through the ESP8266 module. So we are going to making use of ESP8266 module. So that will send the data to the Blink app. So before switching on this gauge, we need to enable the hotspot in your phone. So go to hotspot settings and then set up the Wi-Fi hotspot. So here the Wi-Fi hotspot name should be project 46HH without any space, without any capital letter, and a password 129. After setting the changes, enable the hotspots along with data, and after that log into the Blink app from the given credentials. So now it will display the red mark on this Arduino symbol. It's indicated as the device is offline status now. So when we switch on this gauge, it will connecting to our Wi-Fi hotspot, and it will take the data help, and then it will enter into the online mode. So as we said before switching on this gauge, enable the hotspot along with data. Okay. So now we can see that the connected devices are 0 devices. So when we switch on this gauge, then there will be a welcome message on the LCD screen, as well as the particular device will be connected to your phone. Right, one device is connected. Now we can see that, and then go to the Blink app, and now we can see the device will be connected to the Blink app, and it will be entered into the online. Right. So now we can see that there is a red mark on the app is indicated as, so the device is online now. So we can see the so-called parameters are appearing on our Blink app. So one is level. So now it is 0 level. So when the water level is approaching near the ultrasonic sensor, then we can see the level is increasing. Right. And when there is no water level, then it will be downs. And the next is turbidity. So as we place it in the water, so it is showing the turbidity of the particular water. And the next pH sensor, now it is 0 as we connected in empty, and when we place it in the bottle, so we can see the pH value will showing the near to 6. Okay. And coming to the conductivity, so when we place the conductivity sensor inside the water, we can see the conductivity will be increased. Right. Okay, that will be 0 to 100. So like this we can get the parameters of the water, like water level, pH, and turbidity and conductivity on the Blink app from anywhere in the world using Arduino. Thank you.